Welcome back to the Lone Ranger Radio Show. Bruce Woodburn, Cross Country Mortgage. If you want to see this show live and in person, it is on YouTube. You can go to Bruce Woodburn, the Lone Ranger YouTube channel. Check it out there. Also, you could listen to it on Spotify or iHeartRadio. Just look for the Lone Ranger Radio Show, and you will find it right there. I'd love for you to go to my YouTube channel at Bruce Woodburn, the Lone Ranger, and subscribe to my channel. Please do. It just helps me in my rankings. If you want to do something for the Lone Ranger, you could do that for me. You could also help me by referring people to me. Here's the people that I really need your help with. First of all, anybody that's renting right now needs my help. Anybody that may have gotten into a bad mortgage or needs to refinance or do cash out or debt consolidation, pay off debt, those are great people that I can help. Anybody that you know that wants to move up or move down, like maybe they're retiring and they want to downsize or upsize, these are all folks that I can help. People that need equity out of their home, people that need guidance to purchase a home, young people that want to buy their first home and need that hand holding and need to know if there's any kind of special programs available for them. I'd like to be the guy you think about. But here's something else I'm looking for. If you know anybody in the mortgage industry that's in origination, like a loan officer, processor, loan officer's assistant, they've got at least 2 years experience, I am looking to hire. I am looking for assistance. I prefer bilingual. I'm going to be honest with you. I got a lot of Spanish speaking clients and I could use that. I could use Portuguese speaking too. If you're Brazilian, maybe that might be something, but I'm telling you, 2 years experience. I can't train you from scratch. I'm just too doggone busy, but I can train you how to do it right once you know how to do it. Okay. Then if you are a loan officer and you're looking for a better opportunity, then you got to come see me. Maybe you're looking to open up your own branch. I'm opening up branches across the country. So feel free to call the Lone Ranger. I'll get you set up. We'll get you set up on a branch. You can either do a satellite branch or a full P&L branch. And believe me, you will love what we have here at Cross Country Mortgage. 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313. Or webringyouhome.com. That's webringyouhome.com. And here in Tampa Bay, by the way, my bone show is moving this week to 12 o'clock from 11 o'clock. I'm really excited about that. So if you listen to me on 102.5 The Bone out of Tampa Bay, it's now 12 o'clock, not 11 o'clock. I'm so excited about that. I like that time slot. Of course, Orlando, I'm at 11 o'clock on WDBO, or Saturdays with Cleve Loveland on the Loveland Report and the Lone Ranger Show at noon as well. So pretty cool stuff. 3 different stations all over the state of Florida. So you want the Lone Ranger, I'm right here. If you're waiting for interest rates to drop, you're going to be waiting a long time. You're just going to sit on the sidelines and let life pass you by. So call me now because they're probably not going down anytime soon. But if you're looking to refinance, I have a great watch list. Okay. Now, if you're self-employed and you make a bunch of money, but you write it all off, I know what you're doing. Leave your tax returns at home. Come see me. I can help you with that. Now, if you're looking for new construction, Southern Homes, one of my all-time favorite builders down in the Lakeland area. They'll pay all your closing costs, folks. If you're a real estate agent and you're not looking at Southern Homes down there, you're missing out on some great opportunities. You don't have to go to the big box guys. You can go to the small people and they build a better home on a bigger lot for less money. And they'll pay your closing costs. That's Southern Homes. Come see me about Southern Homes. And then Trinity Family Builders, another great builder out of Central Florida, St. Cloud. You got Claremont, Groveland, Mineola, even Leesburg, building in Astatula now, a great builder. And then I've got a small builder that I started working with that I really like. They got some beautiful They're like duplexes, but they're front to back instead of side by side. Brand new construction, 2-car garages, beautiful, right near right near the area of like Michigan and Primrose in Orlando. So premium location. Call me. I'll connect you with CFB Homes. That's CFB Homes. And they also have a community over in the Daytona area. Actually, it's more like Ormond Beach, LPGA. So if you like that, you want to buy new construction, you let me know. Their prices run in the mid 400s, excuse me, for Orlando, and they can go up even higher if you want to be over in LPGA. Great area. So there's some good builders for you. Gotcha. I got you set up. They'll pay your closing costs when you use the loan arranger for your financing. If you're a veteran, listen, veterans, don't get duped by USAA. They're not government owned. They're not really there to help you. They're a great insurance company and you can do your checking and savings with them. But when it comes to a mortgage, you want a better deal, you come to the loan arranger. It's a better loan, better all the way around. If you are of retirement age and you're considering a reverse mortgage, I'm not a big reverse mortgage guy. I do them, but I do them for people that I really think need them. A lot of people, I don't think you should get a reverse mortgage, even though you may qualify for it. So let's weigh it. Let's weigh it and see if it's right for you. Really, let's do that. Um, prices of homes are up 6% from this time last year. That's a pretty good size growth when you did not have the best interest rates. But I'm going to tell you, it's time to jump in the market, baby. This is going to be your year. Trump's in there. Economy's going to do well. Make sure you got money in the stock market. And if you're trying to drop a few pounds, let me connect you with my friends at Age Rejuvenation. I'll tell you something. You will save the money that you pay for the medication in food and alcohol. Believe me. And you will change your entire eating habits. And it comes so naturally. You don't even have to try. You don't even have to try. I didn't even step foot in a gym and I'm down 70 pounds. I'm telling you, and I feel better than ever. So if you want a better life for yourself, you want to look younger, you want to look better, you want to lose weight, you want to feel better, you want your joints to feel better, you want to have more energy, then call me. I'll connect you with my friends at Age Rejuvenation, and you will get the discounts that they are giving me for helping them drive traffic to them. They don't pay me for these ads, folks. They're not paying me to do this. I'm doing this because it works. If you're a business that works and you have done business with me and I like what you do, I always promote businesses non-gratuitously on a regular basis. So let me know. My doctor, I went into my doctor's office, Dr. Marlene Lindsay over on Lee Road in Edgewater. Love her. She's a great doctor. And she looked at me. She goes, "Oh my God, give me a hug. I just got to hug you, boy. You look good. You've lost so much weight." So she even wants me to help her drive some of her traffic, some of her patients over to Age Rejuvenation. So stuff really does work. When you got the endorsements of other doctors, it's good stuff. In the meantime, this is a mortgage show. It's not a weight loss program. I only tell you that because I try to help you have a better life for yourself. But if you want a better life, then you have to have more income or you have to have more savings. The people that win at the end have more money to retire on and they have less stress, because you don't want to retire and not have enough money to retire on. That it's going to be horrible. So join my wealth building real estate class on January 22nd in Winter Park. Now this is live and in person, folks. This is not a sign up and you have to buy some program of mine. It's $25 to get in, $30 per head. I'll have food and drink available. The money that you pay to get in just covers the cost of the food and drinks. It's nothing more than that. It's not really a price to get in. This is a learning moment. I'm going to share with you the way I buy properties, how I negotiate them, how I manage my properties, the right type of properties to buy, the right areas to buy in, how to make sure you've got the cash flow that you need, and how to pay off every property that you have within 20 years so you can retire with no mortgages, debt free, producing $25,000 to $35,000 a month in income. Now, is that what you want? Can I help you with that? Yes, I can. But you have to join me. Go to webringyouhome.com and register in my events page for January 22nd, Leapfrog, live and in person. Pay the $25 to get in ahead of time. That will ensure me that you're going to show up, because I only got 30 seats in this room. It's actually tight at 30 seats. 30 seats in this room. So it fills up. So I don't want you registering and not showing up. I need the room for people that will. So you want to be serious about becoming a homeowner or becoming an investor, then you come to my Leapfrog class on January 22nd. My name's Bruce Woodburn, and I'm the Lone Ranger. They call me the Lone Ranger because I help people purchase homes. I help them get the right mortgage. I help them save money. I help them fix credit. I connect you with great real estate agents. My real estate agents pay you money rather than you paying them money. They give you part of their commission back. I have literally every loan program that any buyer could ever want. I don't do commercial loans. I don't do home loans. I don't do I don't do car loans, and I don't do personal loans. Anything else with a home, I do it. You need it, I got it. Mobile homes, condos, although I'm not really big on condos right now, single family, jumbo, construction loans, renovation loans, debt consolidation loans, home equity lines of credit, reverse home equity lines of credit. How about that? Call your bank and ask them if they got that one. We created that program. We're coming up with a reverse construction perm. How about that? Construction perm loans, build on your own lot. VA construction perm loans, no money down. I mean, come on. You got it. All right. What are interest rates doing before we bug out here? The Fed has dropped the rate 3 times, a 0.5 point and then 2/4 point cuts. We probably got another one coming in January. Every time they cut the rates go up for mortgages. Why do they go up instead of down? Because when the government lowers the Fed rate, it stimulates the economy. When it stimulates the economy, it stimulates the stock market. When the stock market's doing well, it pulls money out of the bond market, and bonds are what mortgages are tied to. And when it sucks the energy out of the bond market, it causes interest rates to go up. So I don't need any more Fed cuts. The economy is going to fix itself on its own. We don't need any Fed cuts. Let's just leave it alone. Let the bonds do their thing. Let's get the bond market back up, and interest rates will organically drop down. You need to be in the market right now, folks. Don't be having money and cash sitting around. You got to be in the market. You're going to see it explode this year and probably for the next 3 to 4 years. So you need to be in the market, play the market, and that's how we do it. If you've got questions for the Lone Ranger, if you'd like to buy or sell real estate, if you'd like to invest in real estate, if you want some help with a mortgage for refinance or purchase, I would be honored that you would at least give me the opportunity to earn your business. I promise you, if you call me, you're going to do business with me. I can promise you, if you sit down with me, we're going to do business together, because you will count on me. You'll be able to trust me. You'll be able to look me in the eye. You'll be able to check my references. You go ahead, check Wells Fargo's references and see what they look like. They're terrible. Why? Because these banks don't care about you. They act like you do in their commercials. They act like they're your neighborhood best friend, but they're not. I'm the Lone Ranger. This is all I do. It's the only thing I do is help people get mortgages. It's what I do well, and I will help you, and you will have somebody that you can count on to do so. Again, my number out of Tampa Bay is 813-213-4009. That's 813-213-4009, or webringyouhome.com. Don't forget to file for homestead exemption if you bought a home this year. If you want me in Orlando, you can call me at 407-706-3313. That's 407-706-3313, or webringyouhome.com. Happy New Year to all of you. Make this the best year ever. Buy a home, help somebody buy a home, connect them with the Lone Ranger, and let me help you build your business or your portfolio of real estate. If you're a realtor, connect with me. Let's go have lunch, get to know each other. God bless each and every one of you. Thanks for listening to the Lone Ranger Radio Show. I will be back and checking with you later. Thank you so much. Have a great day.